This is a 2007 BMW X3. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include xDrive and adaptive brake lights. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, hill descent control, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 64,000 miles. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.